Hello guys, here is I have a on tablet 10.1 inch, and this tablet problem is charging port is not charging port is broken. You can see it's broken inside, so I'm going to show you how to replace the charging port. First we need to remove this screen. There is no screw on back. First we have to remove this screen, so we have to apply heat on side, and then with this knife we're going to lift it up, and then we're going to use a plastic to remove the screen. Is better to remove with the plastic, so it's not going to break. And also we're going to use alcohol, so we can remove easily. Use heat and use alcohol, so we can remove easily. So it's take time. I do speed up the video, that's why it's less time. You can see on video we already removed the screen. Slowly you're gonna lift it up. We want to lift it up all the way. You're gonna rotate the ribbon. You can see there is a ribbon connection. So anybody change the screen, also same thing. You can remove past broken screen and then remove like that, and just disconnect this ribbon and connect a new screen with this new ribbon, old ribbon. So you can change the screen like that. And there is the charging port we have to replace. So there is two kind charging port on the market. One is with the logic board, whole logic board, and one you can change the only charging port with the soldering. So whoever know the soldering, they can change like that. Whoever does not soldering, they just buy this the whole logic board with the charging port. Yeah, whoever doesn't know soldering, you can change whole thing like that. If you find on eBay or Amazon, you can take a look. So I know the soldering, so we're gonna change only charging port. Is very easy. First we're gonna use apply simplex, then apply heat. We use like 350 Celsius, and airflow is 120. And we already removed this charging port. Now we're gonna clean it. We're gonna clean the whole hole. We already clean, and now we're gonna clean with the alcohol, and we're gonna apply some flex and then use solder there. And now you're gonna install the new charging port. Now we're gonna use some flex, and then we're gonna solder. Yeah, you can see there is all connection you need to solder, and we're gonna put solder on 4 connection. And let me do it with another time. Just look like there is one is 2 connection together. Yeah, now it's clean. So already done with the soldering, and now you can see there is nicely clean and solder is right. And now you're gonna install this charging port on the frame. It's already installed. Now you're gonna connect this ribbon. Make sure it's on center. Yeah, now it's on center. First we're gonna put this plate on top of that, so it's not gonna move. And there is 4 screw. You're gonna put back this 4 screw. All screw are same star screw. We are done here. Now just connect this ribbon. First you can lifting up this and then insert the ribbon. You can see white line, it should be on middle. Then you're gonna just press it down this connection. We're all set here. Now you're gonna connect this new screen. we're gonna connect the same screen, and there is ribbon. Just push in and just press it down this connection, and we're gonna put back this tape so ribbon is not going to move. All set here. Now we're gonna take a look, make sure tablet is charging. Let me plug in. Let's plug in. Yes, you can see its sign is came on, and tablet is long time is dead, so you have to wait couple of minutes to check, make sure it's charging going up 1% or 2%. So after 2-3 minutes, we're gonna check again. It's 1% now. We fix the charging port. Now we're gonna clean the all side and put the glue, and after that should be fine. Thank you so much for watching.